Hey guys, welcome back to AC Custom Designs. We wanted to show you sort of a clean process to making those lap joints. The first video that you saw, I kind of started out on the radial arm saw, remove material there, discussed how that's one way to remove the material for the lap joint. Yet a more efficient way would be to use your bandsaw. And I had a blade on that was like a scroll saw, and it was really dull, so it was like this. I quickly fixed that up. So that roller system is upstairs drying next to my fireplace. And so what I thought I'd show you is a clean set, and then we'll go ahead and glue it up and pin it up and that sort of thing. All right, so this is a series on making simple skids, whatever you want to call them, little roller systems where you can put your tools on and move them around the shop. Putting them in service and out of service is very important. We have a small shop, so let's go ahead and cut these out. It's going to be a little noisy because I will have the jet dust collector on. So here we go. All right, let's go ahead and bring you on over to this station here. And the beauty of my little stand here, sorry you guys watching on those big TVs, is that I can take my camera now and angle it way down like so. All right, so you can have an idea of what we're doing there. Oops. Hopefully we won't drop the camera. Sorry for the shaking, guys. All right, we appreciate your feedback, and you let us know that I shake too much. All right, so essentially we were talking about making nice, clean, and quick lap joints. So we're going to go ahead and dry fit this real quick. And so let's go ahead and dry fit these guys. You may have noticed that when I was trying to pull the blade back, when I was doing the rip, that it was grabbing, and I should have started with cutting this first so that there was no tension on the blade. So sometimes it's just good to see that type of thing, and I was like, whoopsies, I should have cut this guy first. So at any rate, like I explain in my videos, I like to learn together, and I don't ever rehearse my videos. I just go ahead and do it. So now I'm just trying to match up my pieces. Okay. All right. So let's get these guys oriented. Okay. All right, there we go. And there it is, just real simple lap joints. And the purpose for this is to go ahead and then mount casters on, and we'll show you mounting these guys when we get there. We'll just attach it to the end of the video. So the whole point was just to do a little bit of review. Is we came over to we discussed that if you have a radial arm saw, that you can do the lap joints on the radial arm saw. Would highly recommend getting a dado blade. Okay, you could do it in the radial arm saw. You could do it in the table saw. There's so many ways of doing it. As you can see, the cleanest and quickest way of doing it was, in fact, on this jet. And that's a 1/2-inch blade, by the way. And you can put a fence on there and use the Carter system to line up and get rid of the drift. But really, when you're doing work like this, it's really not that huge of a deal. So there we go. There's your simple lap joint. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to, like we discussed, just go ahead and glue it up. Just put it back down here. Let's do that real quick. Alright, I highly recommend, by the way, these are called glue bots. And they are really, really efficient to get the glue on quickly. You don't have to have the bottle tilted in a certain way in order to get the glue to defy gravity. You just squeeze it and it goes down and up into this area here. And boy, I tell you what, that just saves you a lot of time. It's very, very convenient when you are doing a lot of glue up, and you don't want to have to twist and turn the pieces just to get the glue on. You want to just be able to apply the glue. So look up that episode, the glue bot. I got about 400 some videos that we just discuss all kinds of methods for doing a thing and using all kinds of tools. I also have the smaller glue bot that is really, really good for those really fine and intricate little glue up jobs that you have. So there you go. So I am reasonably sure that this is going to be plenty strong of a joint for me, because I'm actually going to be lag bolting the casters into this little frame once I get once these guys dry up. So I have the one upstairs. It's no longer summer. We're in the autumn season, and so I got to bring it upstairs where it's a little bit warmer. All right, so that's basically what we're doing. And this is not, you've probably heard the saying, this is not a piano, so we don't have to be perfect. Although it would be a good idea to throw a square on there real quick to see how we're looking. And we're just fine, actually. We're just fine. Just before I start pinning that up, right, I want to make sure that we're good, and we are. Highly look up the Airstrike technology, the Ryobi pin gun 1 Plus. Look that up, please. That is those of you who have been working in the shop for a few years and have the compressors, and you've been using your pin gun, like myself. you will be pleasantly surprised at how wonderful this unit is. I don't have to ever worry about air. It's just unbelievable how convenient this is. Very, very convenient, friends. Oops. So I don't have to put that many pins in, but why not? You don't have to use the pins. Remember to pull your batteries out of any tool so that you don't have whoopsies going on. Okay. So all right, that's that. I've got one more to make, and then we won't pause for that one. We'll just make the other one. This one here is going to be for the jointer. The first one you saw me make is going to be for this guy there, which is for the drill press. And the last one, the next one we're going to make, actually is for the radial arm saw, and that's quite a beastie. That's a big, heavy unit there. So I will most likely appreciate very much having those wheels. Thanks again. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to learn together, and leave your comments. We'll get back to you. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If it's thumbs down, just let me know why. We'll try to improve. Thank you very much, guys. And you take care. Stay tuned for part 3. We'll attach it to the end of this video.